The most amazing places in Norway. A journey through natural wonders and rich culture. Norway, a country known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, is one of the most captivating destinations in Europe. From towering mountains and deep fjords to charming cities and the Northern Lights, Norway offers an unforgettable experience for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and culture enthusiasts alike. In this video, we will take a closer look at the most amazing places in Norway that should be on every traveler's bucket list. 1. Fjord, a majestic natural wonder. Fjord is one of Norway's most iconic and breathtaking natural landmarks. Located in the western part of the country, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is often regarded as one of the most beautiful fjords in the world. The fjord is characterized by steep cliffs, waterfalls cascading down its sides, and crystal-clear waters. Visitors can explore Fjord by taking a scenic boat cruise or hiking up the surrounding hills for panoramic views. The Seven Sisters Waterfall, a series of cascading waterfalls that tumble down the cliffs into the fjord, is one of the most famous sights in the area. Other stunning landmarks include the Bridal Veil Waterfall and the Eagle's Bend, where you can enjoy a stunning view of the fjord below. 2. Lofoten Islands, a picturesque archipelago. The Lofoten Islands, located above the Arctic Circle in northern Norway, are renowned for their dramatic landscapes, vibrant fishing villages, and untouched natural beauty. The islands are home to rugged peaks, white sand beaches, and crystal-clear waters, making them a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers. The Lofoten Islands are ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and kayaking. The area is famous for its picturesque fishing villages, including Reen, often considered one of the most beautiful villages in the world. Svolvær, the largest town in Lofoten, offers a lively atmosphere with art galleries, local restaurants, and a variety of shops. 3. Oslo, Norway's vibrant capital. Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a dynamic city that blends modern architecture with historical landmarks. Located at the head of the Oslo Fjord, the city offers a wide range of attractions, from world-class museums to lush parks and scenic waterfronts. A must-visit in Oslo is the Viking Ship Museum, which houses some of the best-preserved Viking ships in the world, offering a fascinating glimpse into Norway's Viking heritage. Another popular attraction is the National Gallery, home to iconic works by famous artists such as Edvard Munch, including the world-renowned painting The Scream. For outdoor enthusiasts, Frogner Park is a beautiful green space featuring the famous Vigeland Sculpture Park, which showcases over 200 bronze and granite sculptures by artist Gustav Vigeland. Visitors can also enjoy a stroll along the Akerbrygge waterfront, where they can relax at cafes, dine at top restaurants, or shop at trendy boutiques. 4. Trolltunga, a thrilling hike with stunning views. One of Norway's most famous and adventurous hiking destinations is Trolltunga, the Troll's Tongue, a rock formation that juts out horizontally above Lake Ringjedalsvatnet in the Hardangerfjord region. The hike to Trolltunga is challenging, taking approximately 10 to 12 hours to complete, but the views from the top make the effort well worth it. From the summit, hikers are treated to a panoramic view of the surrounding fjords, mountains, and pristine lakes. The breathtaking landscape of jagged peaks and deep valleys is perfect for photography, and standing on the rock formation itself is an experience that will stay with you forever. 5. Svalbard, the land of the polar bears. Located halfway between Norway and the North Pole, Svalbard is an archipelago known for its remote Arctic wilderness. The islands are a haven for wildlife, particularly polar bears, reindeer, and Arctic foxes, and the region offers some of the best opportunities for wildlife watching in the world. Visitors to Svalbard can take boat trips to explore the rugged coastline, go dog sledding across the snowy landscape, or embark on snowmobile tours. The archipelago is also home to Longyearbyen, the world's northernmost settlement, with a population over 1,000 people. In Longyearbyen, visitors can explore museums that highlight the region's history, geology, and wildlife. 6. Bergen, Norway's gateway to the fjords. The city of Bergen is often referred to as the gateway to the fjords due to its proximity to some of Norway's most stunning natural landmarks. Located on the southwestern coast of the country, Bergen is a picturesque city surrounded by mountains and fjords, making it the perfect base for exploring the nearby landscapes. One of Bergen's most iconic landmarks is the Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features a series of colorful historic wooden buildings that line the city's harbor. This district, dating back to the Hanseatic League, is home to charming shops, cafes, and museums, making it a great place to explore on foot. 7. Nordkapp, the northernmost point of Europe. For those seeking to experience the true north, Nordkapp is a must-visit destination. Located on the island of Mageroya in northern Norway, Nordkapp is considered the northernmost point of mainland Europe. Standing on the cliff at Nordkapp offers a dramatic view of the Arctic Ocean, with nothing but vast icy waters stretching toward the horizon. Visitors to Nordkapp can explore the Nordkapp Hall, which features an exhibition about the history of the region, or enjoy a meal at the restaurant while watching the midnight sun during the summer months. The surrounding area is also home to abundant wildlife, including reindeer and seabirds, making it a great spot for nature enthusiasts. 8. Senja, Norway's hidden gem. While the Lofoten Islands often steal the spotlight, Senja is a lesser-known, equally stunning destination in northern Norway. Known for its rugged landscapes, majestic fjords, and picturesque fishing villages, Senja offers a more serene and untouched alternative to its more famous counterparts. The island's landscape is incredibly diverse, ranging from jagged mountain peaks to sandy beaches, and is perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and kayaking. The national tourist route Senja offers a scenic drive through the island, with various viewpoints to stop and take in the stunning vistas. 9. The Romsdalen Valley, a hiker's paradise. The Romsdalen Valley, located in central Norway, is one of the most picturesque valleys in the country. Surrounded by towering mountains, glaciers, and fjords, the valley offers incredible opportunities for hiking, climbing, and outdoor adventure. One of the most famous hikes in Romsdalen is the Romsdalseggen Ridge, which offers spectacular views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. The hike is challenging but rewards adventurers with some of the most stunning vistas in Norway. The valley is also home to the Troll Wall, Europe's tallest vertical rock face, which attracts climbers from all over the world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.